this cupcakes, but it's right outside the Sun River. It's a little car. I'm sitting over here in the area called Down the Rabbit Hole. God, it's wondering. Cute little quaint little area and far away from my food. So yeah, orange is really good too. Guys, happy Saturday, happy day 3 of Las Vegas vlogs. I didn't end the vlog yesterday after we left for Jabberwockies. We went out and just got drunk, sat at a bar. Nothing too exciting. And Vicky was present. I don't know if I told you guys, but we have family that travel here as well. My in-laws are here. We didn't know they was coming actually till the day before we left. So they staying at the Planet Hollywood over there. And so we met up with them, had some drinks, and just kicked it last night. Today's a new day, new adventure, and today we actually headed to the Hoover Dam and the Grand Canyon. So I'm really excited about that. It's always been a dream of mine to go to both. So we just hit egg salad for breakfast. It was good. It wasn't hash shots to go, but it was good. So I give it like about a strong 6.5, 7. I had a sandwich and orange juice. Yeah, so we're about to head out and go. It's a little chilly. So we got my jacket. And we're going to head out and go. So I want to just pop in and say good morning to you guys. Hope everything's well. You guys are enjoying these vlogs. My birthday is in 2 days. So I'm getting excited to turn up. Yeah, a lot of fun things in store. But today, that's where they go. So you guys like this view. We're walking to the Hoover Dam. Look at this beautifulness, y'all. Let me see this. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? So excited. We stop by fall. I'll show you more later. See this?
It is prominently featured, supporting a shield composed of 13 red and white stripes. These stripes represent the 13 original states, with a blue bar uniting the shield and representing Congress. The shield is worn on the breast of the eagle, without any other support, to denote that the United States ought to rely on its own virtue. The motto of the United States, E pluribus unum, out of many one, is inscribed on the scroll held in the eagle's beak and refers to this union. The olive branch, and 13 arrows grasped by the eagle, allude to peace and war, powers solely vested in the Congress. And the constellation of stars breaking through a cloud.
It's absolutely gorgeous out here, y'all. Gorgeous. Just showing y'all a little bit around before we actually get on the dam.
The colors have specific meanings. White, purity and innocence. Red, Venus, valor. Blue,
Turn the camera around. Okay, we go.
justice.
Nice. Let's go walk on the dam now.
It depicts the 12 signs of the zodiac and indicates magnetic north from Hoover Dam. As you pass the compass and the bronze plaques on the canyon wall, continue to the concrete building for more exhibits and information on the Bureau of Reclamation and the Colorado River. Oh, and don't forget to rub the toes of the statue. Local folklore has it that this will bring you good fortune.
I gotta rub the toes. They're gonna get some good fortune. He said good fortune. You go rub these toes, get some good fortune. We need all the good fortune we need in this world, so.
Welcome to the winged figures of the Republic.
Rub on them toes, rub on them toes. Give me all that good fortune.
Designed to honor the accomplishments of the building genius of America.
Walking on the Hoover Dam. Officially walking on the dam. Put that down there. Gorgeous. This has literally always been a dream of mine to come here. You said that I'm down here, it's like crazy. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. See this? Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this beautiful creation. Okay, I want to show y'all a bit of the dam. this. I wish I could describe how freaking beautiful this is in person. Look at this, y'all. Holy moly. This is like, it's like a postcard. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm not getting up there. Yeah. See this? Wouldn't want to drive on there. See the bridge, y'all? We're on the Hoover Dam. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This the furthest I'm reaching this camera out here, y'all. Y'all see that down there? We ain't going no further than this. I'll give y'all a pick of down there. Okay, that's it. Come on back. I could stay out here hours and watch this, y'all, but we gotta go to the Grand Canyon. So, Hoover Dam, you've been good.
Well worth it.
Yes. You can really see the dam right here, y'all. Y'all see I had to come back and get this angle. Look. Oh my God. Okay. Take a picture of my hub. Hub is friendly. Be right back. So we're on our way to the Grand Canyon where we stopped at this scenic view. I had to get out and show this to y'all. Look at this. I've never in my life seen something so beautiful. Like, this is gorgeous. We stopped at a scenic view. And we got about another 45 minutes to get to the Grand Canyon, but I had to stop and show y'all this. Isn't this gorgeous? It's absolutely breathtaking. They got this little thing you could write on. This was self-advertising. Follow me on YouTube, Life of V. Might as well self-advertise. Right here. We made it. This is the closest I'm getting, y'all. This is the closest I'm getting for y'all. We are at the Grand Canyon. See? Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wonder what side Thelma and Louise drove off on. Y'all remember the movie Thelma and Louise? Wonder what she drove off there. We're walking all the way to them edges. You know I ain't walking to them edges. Nope. Nada. Do like this though. Y'all see the bottom? Hey, there y'all go. See the bottom from right there. I think I'll do the skywalk. I can't take my camera with me, so.
Yeah, okay, I got it.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Alright. Hey guys, we're leaving the Grand Canyon. It's a lot of windy roads, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's kind of scary. I wouldn't want to drive through this bitch at night, just being real. Or rainy. But we're leaving the Grand Canyon. It's absolutely beautiful. We bought the picture package. We did the skywalk, so I'm going to insert all the pictures after the vlog. But it was amazing. It was amazing. Something that I'm glad I did. Would I come back again? Probably not. If I bring the kids, maybe yeah, but I wouldn't come back to see it. But it's like, just to be able to see it for myself was amazing. We talked to this Indian worker there. He gave us such a good history about the culture and the different tribes out here and stuff like that. So it was very educational with that. So we'll be leaving the mountains, and it's beautiful. Just driving back there, it's so beautiful. It's definitely breathtaking. Maybe like the Grand Canyon.
Yes, it was wonderful, awesome.
Oh, we jump fast, y'all. But yeah, so we're gonna get out these mountains, and we're gonna get into some trouble today. Probably meet with the family later today, but we'll just tell y'all about our Grand Canyon being in Hoover Dam. Amazing day today. We got a 3.5 hour drive back to the hotel. So we want to check in with you guys to know that we had a great day so far. Still more to go.